Tired of being locked into Safari? Let's explore how to potentially get Chrome on your iPhone 6 without the usual Apple ID hassle, understanding upfront that this might involve some workarounds since Apple typically requires an ID for app installations. First, let's check the official App Store search for Chrome if it's not available or asks for an Apple ID you don't have access to. We'll need to explore other options. Keep in mind these might not be as straightforward or guaranteed as a direct install. Next, we'll investigate third-party app installers. Open Safari and search for phrases like iOS app installers or alternative app stores. These services sometimes offer apps not directly available in the official App Store, but exercise extreme caution as their safety and reliability can vary. Before proceeding with any installer, carefully research its reputation. Look for reviews and warnings. Online installing apps from unknown sources can pose significant security risks, potentially exposing your iPhone to malware. Once you've chosen an installer and, at your own risk, downloaded an app through it, you'll likely need to trust the developer profile in your iPhone settings. Go to Settings, then General, scroll down to Profiles and Device Management, and trust the profile associated with the installer app. If the installation is successful, you should now see the Chrome icon on your home screen. Remember, using such methods comes with risks. Always prioritize your device's security if you face issues or are uncomfortable with the process. Sticking with Safari or creating a new Apple ID might be safer alternatives.